Hey, boys and girls, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on lesson 2.1, and we are going to be talking about the different properties of adding. Let's see. All right. So there are three properties that we're going to talk about today. The first one we're going to talk about is the commutative property of addition. Now, you've probably heard of these properties last year. We're going to now use bigger numbers. So the commutative property says that no matter which way you use the numbers, you're still going to get the same sum. So if I did, let's just say 42 plus 37, I would still get the same answer if I did 37 plus 42. Let's check. So if I did 42 plus 37, I would start in my ones place. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. So if I'm getting 42 plus 37 equals 79, I should get the same sum for 37 plus 42. So 37 plus 42. 7 plus 2 is 9, and 3 plus 4 is 7. So the commutative property states that no matter which way you put your two addends, the sum will be the same number. That's the commutative property. The next one we are going to talk about is the associative property of addition. And the associative property states that no matter what way you group the addends, you're still going to get the same sum. So if I had, let's just say, 10 plus 5 plus 15, okay, I can make a group. I can do 10 plus 5 first, which would get me 15, and then add my other 15. So 15 plus 15 would be 30. Or if I wanted, and I still had 10 plus 5 plus 15, the associative property says I can add them in different ways and still get the same sum, the same answer to my addition problem. So I should still get 30 if I decided to do, and parentheses means that you're going to do that first. So if I did 5 plus 15, I would get 20. And then I would do 10 plus that 20 and get 30. So the associative property is no matter which group I decide to do first, you're still going to get the same answer, the same sum. The last one is the identity property. And identity, you have to think about like it's who you are. Like an identity is like my identity is Donna Bozard. So I think of it like that. And what that means is if you are going to add a number, let's say 25 plus 0, my sum is going to stay 25. It's still going to stay 25. So if you're adding 0 to any number, your sum's going to stay the same. The identity property says that if you add 0 to anything, you're still going to have that same number. So it could be any number. It could be 4,392 plus 0. You're still going to get 4,392. So those are three of the properties that we discussed in 2.1. Hopefully you watched and you took your notes. Okay? See you later.